Voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Señora Harris, por favor, búsquele una oferta por parte de la Fiscalía que esté actualizada y usted, señor, tenga en mente que siempre tiene el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's good.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Señor, por favor, acepte la invitación a la sala de consulta privada y déjenos saber qué quiere cuando regrese. Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Quintasia Lachey Gibson, case number SP 1546217, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gibson.
Tasia Lachey Gibson.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for, excuse me. It is set for help me out, Mr. Berry. Let's see.
Is you on yesterday's docket, Your Honor?
Gibson was on yesterday's docket. Set for, let's call it a pretrial. Give Ms. Gibson an updated offer. Keep in mind, I believe it's a document issue, so check the documents. If you don't have, if she doesn't have the right documents, get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, Ms. Gibson. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Just pass the map.
You fucker.
Watch your mouth, man.
Excuse my language. Stupid cat just.
Put yourself on mute.
Shay Gibson, you're on?
Tasia Gibson. Barnwell, are you here? Where's Miss Barnwell? I guess she may have she's supposed to be here tomorrow, maybe. Lose Ms. Gibson, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor. She indicates that she's scheduled for tomorrow. And she's not on yesterday's docket.
Oh, tomorrow she is, okay. Is she gone?
She's gone.
This is the city of Detroit versus Kelvin Renald Grant, case number SP 147858881, SP 1522916, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 152298482. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
Kelvin Grant here. Yeah, unmute yourself, sir. Good morning to you. Kelvin Grant, you have to unmute yourself. Kelvin Grant, last time. All right, I don't know what he's doing. Let's pass it. City of Detroit versus Kelsey Renee DeKemper, case number SP 1757581, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, please.
Kelsey DeKemper.
Morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead. I mean, Raymond, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf. You decline a $0 bond. I think good time to stop now and we'll go off the record with Mr. Kemper and introduce community court. Typically, Ms. Quintel does that, but I'll do it today. All right, everyone, today is community court day.
Me dirijo ahora a todos que están presentes. Este es el día que tenemos designado para la corte comunitaria.
It's sort of like a pre-trial diversion day where we partner with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Es semejante a cuando tenemos una desviación del caso en la etapa de la consulta previa al juicio. Trabajamos con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
And if you take a deal, all the sentencing will have a community service component, meaning you would have to do community service to clear the matter up.
Y si aceptan ustedes hoy la oferta de resolución que le va a proponer la Fiscalía, lo que significa es que la penalidad va a ser hacer servicio comunitario.
If you do not want to do community service and you know that already, then you can raise your hand in the Zoom room.
Si no les gustaría a ustedes hacer servicio comunitario, en vez de pagar para resolver sus asuntos, por favor, levanten la mano por el chat o por la computadora, levanten la mano. Si no quieren hacer.
And if you, we'll get you to your alphabet judge if you want a money judgment.
Y si es que quieren pagar una multa por su caso y no hacer servicio comunitario, levanten la mano y entonces le vamos a dar el nombre del juez que le tocaría según la primera letra de su apellido. Regresan otro día.
If you have the last name that begins in G, L, or O, you're going to stay with me. Anybody else that does not want to do community service that doesn't have the last name beginning in G, L, or O will be sent to their alphabet judge.
Si su apellido comienza con G, L o O y no quieren hacer servicio comunitario, es conmigo que se quedan de todos modos. Pero si su nombre no comienza con G, L o O y no quieren hacer servicio comunitario, la mano para que yo los pueda mandar al juez que le tocaría.
Okay, I don't see any hands raised in the Zoom room, so I'm gonna assume that everyone in here is willing to do community service to resolve their matter.
No he visto ninguna mano levantada, así que me supongo que todos que están presentes aquí quieren hacer servicio comunitario.
No, yo no.
No, I do not want to.
Aló,
Hello,
disculpe una pregunta.
excuse me, I have a question.
What is your question?
¿Cuál es su pregunta?
Mi nombre es Gerson Gilberto Vázquez Cabrera y yo tengo una computadora, pero estoy conectado al teléfono, no veo la pantalla.
My name is, ¿es su apellido de nuevo, señor?
Gerson Gilberto Vázquez Cabrera.
This is Vasquez Cabrera, and I am connected on the computer, but I cannot see myself. I'm using a phone.
Okay, we'll take care of it.
No se preocupe.
All right, Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Ms. Kemper. Mr. Kemper, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please.
Your Honor,
Yes.
could I know what deal / hist?
Dealer, that's a dealer plate. She was driving outside of the historical plate, dealer or historical plate.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. All right, let's get some people on their way. This is the city of Detroit versus Renee Zuniga. Case number SP 171555, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 174735551. State your name for the record, please.
Llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus René Uribe Zúñiga. Número de caso es 174-73551. Usted diga su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
René Uribe Zúñiga.
René Uribe Zúñiga.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. You indicated that you do not want to do community service, so I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge.
Señor, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted. Usted nos dejó saber que no quería participar en la corte comunitaria, así que lo vamos a mandar al juez que le tocaría a usted según la primera letra de su apellido. You.
Ajá.
Yes, you.
Yeah.
The letter U.
Your next court date is going to be September the 3rd, 2025 at 8:35 in front of the Honorable Judge Kennedy.
Así que anote por favor que su próxima fecha para comparecer va a ser el 3 de septiembre del 2025 a las 8:35 de la mañana y va a ser frente juez Kennedy.
Okay.
Okay.
Sí, está bien.
Yes,
Her
that's
Zoom
fine.
ID, her Zoom ID is going to be 360-435-0000.
Para que pueda anotar el número de Zoom de la juez para que pueda entrar ese día, anote por favor, es el 360-435-0000.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Si no tiene algo que agregar, señor, le deseamos a usted muchísima suerte y que tenga muy buen día.
Igualmente, muchas gracias.
Same to you. Thank you very much.
Bye. Bye, gracias.
Goodbye and thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jasmine Graves, case number SP 165-57051. State your name for the record, Ms. Graves.
Jasmine Graves.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. In this matter, I'm just going to set a trial date for September the 11th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Okay, ma'am? September the 11th.
Okay, am I joining the same Zoom room?
You are.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You as well.
Who's on the Samsung?
¿Quién está por el dispositivo Samsung?
Samsung S938U.
El Samsung S938U. ¿Quién es usted?
Gilberto Antonio Cardona.
Alberto Antonio Cardona.
Okay, he's at the first one.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Buenos días usted, señor.
Muy buenos días.
Good morning.
iPhone, good morning to you. Can you start your camera, unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Charles Love.
Not you, Mr. Love. We already spoke.
Okay.
iPhone, ma'am.
Hi, Judge Perkins. This is Quintasia Gibson. I was in the breakout room and I got disconnected.
Okay. Yeah, all right. Did you provide the documentation?
No, when I was speaking to him, it discontinued. I wanted to know if I can provide it now.
Okay. Let's go back on the record. Do you mind showing it on the screen now, or do you want to go back in the breakout room with them?
I don't really know how to do that. I was speaking to him about something and the phone, it started to freeze, so I'm not quite sure what he was trying to tell me. Because I have a picture of it, of the insurance policy.
We'll get you
Thank
back
you.
in the breakout room.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Sorry for the interruption. I was just wondering, is Pedro Sanchez on the list today to be seen by you?
Good morning, Mr. Sanchez. I hope so. Yes, he is.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Sorry for the interruption.
Sorry. All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer.
Lo que estamos haciendo ahora es esperando que tengamos un abogado defensor.
KM Law.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How can we help?
My name is Richard. I'm a law clerk here with attorney Crystal Marie Medina. We have Miguel Duarte Garcia. The attorney just wanted me to log. He's at our office in person here. She's in Judge Jones at the moment. She wanted me to log in and just inform the court. I think it was
Miguel.
moved. I think it was moved from Judge Sherman's court because I zoomed in there first and they sent me over here.
I don't say that name again.
Miguel Duarte, Duarte Garcia.
Page 1 under 830, Your Honor.
Yes. And good morning to you.
Good morning.
Miguel Garcia. Yeah, Duarte Garcia. Down just the top or bottom quarter of the page. Right. Thank you, sir. Chris Marlon Lelubris.
Chris Marlin Lluveres.
Sí, soy yo.
Yes, that's me.
I'm trying to find her on the system and I don't see her. Does she have a case number?
Estamos tratando de encontrarla aquí por el sistema computarizado. ¿Tiene usted el número de su caso?
Y lo voy a buscar.
Yes, I'll look for it.
Good morning, Ms. Snyder.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, attorney waiting on. In room 4.
¿Le puedo dar el número del ticket?
Can I give you the ticket number?
Yes.
Sí.
Ok, es SP 169832921.
Your Honor, she broke up at the beginning. May I ask her to restart?
I got it.
Oh, excellent.
City of Detroit versus Chris Marlene Lubris Paulino, case number SP 172-56581. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama entonces el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Chris Marlin Lluveres, número de caso SP 172-56581. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Chris Marlin Lluveres.
Chris Marlin Lluveres.
I'm in there not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond, and I'm going to dismiss the case because she paid 3 related civil infractions.
Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0. Y voy a desestimar su caso debido a que usted ya pagó por otros asuntos relacionados a este caso.
Ok, ¿puedo hacer una pregunta?
Okay, may I ask a question?
You may.
Puede.
Ok,
El policía, en el último ticket que me pusieron, me puso que en un ticket porque no tenía seguro de carro. Y sí tenía seguro de carro. Entonces también me desestimaron la licencia y me gustaría saber qué debo hacer ahora.
The police officer who wrote me my last ticket wrote it for me not having any insurance, car insurance, but I did have insurance. And I want to know what happened with the matter with my license.
I dismissed the license because you paid all of those civil infractions that he wrote you. So I felt that was punishment enough, so all your cases are closed out now.
Señora, ese caso que tenía que ver con su licencia, yo lo desestimé. Lo desestimé debido a que usted ya había pagado ciertas infracciones civiles relacionado a este caso. Y yo pensé que ya con eso era suficiente castigo. Así que todos los casos quedan ahora cerrados.
Ok, entonces ¿puedo manejar otra vez o tengo que ir a la Secretaría de Estado o nuevamente? No sé.
Okay, so can I drive again or do I need to go to the Secretary of State first? I don't know.
License. We'll check the license and see if it's valid.
Vamos ahora a revisar su licencia para ver si ya está vigente.
Okay, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mario Vasquez. Mr. Vasquez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your claim?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste con el caso del señor Mario Vázquez. Señor Mario Vázquez, le di la oportunidad de estar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora abogada Harris, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to improper equipment.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a admitir responsabilidad al cargo de tener equipo inapropiado.
And I've provided his phone number in the chat to both you and Mr. Phillips.
Y yo le puse en el chat el número de su teléfono para que usted y el señor Phillips lo tuvieran.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Vasquez?
Señor Vázquez, ¿quiere tomar este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo?
Sí.
Yes.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counsel.
Está bien bajo la estipulación de las bases de hecho para los otros infracciones.
Sí.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulada, su señoría.
And stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y con la estipulación de la causa probable para desestimar el restante. Y la anterior corrección fue para las bases de hecho para este cargo.
Sí.
Yes.
I'm gonna find your client responsible as charged to the improper equipment in lieu of fines and costs. I'll allow them to use 6 hours of community service. Is your phone number 313-358-8908?
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar a su cliente culpable y la responsabilidad por el cargo de equipo inapropiado. Y es un número de teléfono 358-8908, código de área 313, señor.
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that's correct.
All right, you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Señor, ¿ya usted tiene el número para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitario?
Sí lo tengo.
Yes, I have it.
All right, give Mr. Phillips or Ms. Quintero a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until September 17th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor, está bien. Llame esta misma tarde a la señora Buentello o al señor Phillips a ese número para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde va usted a hacer las horas de servicio comunitario. Le voy a dar hasta el día 17 de septiembre del 2025 para que las haga.
Está bien.
That's okay.
All right, have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, que tenga muy buen día. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
Muchísimas gracias.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Brian Sevilla, case number SP 1749149, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Brian Sevilla, número de caso SP 174-914, cargos 1 y 2. Su comparecencia, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Good morning, Your Honor. Francisco J. Villarreal, P34147. I appear as counsel for Brian Sevilla.
Buenos días, su señoría. Este es el abogado Francisco X Villarreal, número de registro 34147. Y estoy aquí esta mañana representando al señor Brian Sevilla.
All right, I understand the day is date and time set for arraignment, for purposes of arraignment, Councilman.
Está bien, entiendo que hoy estamos aquí para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos. Para ese propósito, ¿cómo desea proceder, señor abogado?
For purposes of arraignment, we would stand mute, waive formal reading.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, vamos a permanecer en silencio y vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos.
Well, here are not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And at this case, at this time, we'll dismiss the cases for compliance.
Señor, yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y para este momento vamos a desestimar el caso.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Gracias, su señoría, se lo agradezco. ¿Está bien?
If there's nothing further, the both of you have a very good day. Best of luck to you, and it's always good to see you, Mr. Villarreal.
Thank you.
Si
It's
no
always
tengo
my
nada que
pleasure.
agregar, que tengan un buen día, la mejor de las suertes para ustedes. Encantado de verlo nuevamente. Igualmente, su señoría, el placer fue mío.
All right, Mr. Sevilla.
Hey, Your Honor.
You have a very good day. I got you, Mr. Green.
Está bien, señor
Okay.
Sevilla, que tenga muy buen día.
Sucesivamente.
All right.
Señor Sevilla, se puede retirar ya.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Osmer Quevedo. Senior Osmer Quevedo. Mr. Berry, go back in the breakout room with Ms. Gibson. She has some documents. She's back. She fell off, right?
Yes, sir.
Osmer Quevedo.
El señor Osmar Quevedo. Evelyn, that's yours?
I think, I'm not sure.
Yeah, it would be yours, Ms. Miller.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. Osmar
Quevedo.
He's not responding.
El señor Osmar
Señor
no está.
Quevedo, no está respondiendo. Abra su micrófono. Sorry, Evelyn.
That's okay.
Okay. Let's move down to.
I think he doesn't know how
Xavier.
to unmute his device, but someone is helping him.
Alguien lo está
Eso.
ayudando a él a que pueda abrir el
Please.
Ya.
Ready.
Yes. Good morning. I don't see his name.
I
No
don't
vemos-
either.
No vemos el
Does he
nombre
have
de la
case-
lista de causas.
¿Cómo?
Mr. Quevedo, do you have a case number?
Señor Quevedo, ¿tiene usted un número de caso? Porque no lo encontramos en la lista de causas.
Starting with SFA.
Comienza con SP, correcto.
¿Con ese qué?
SP.
Ajá. SP, sí.
All right, we're gonna move on.
170-22-732.
Yes, it's SP 170-170.
22-732.
So it's SP 170-22732.
This is, he's supposed to be in 336, but we'll hear it now. This is the city of Detroit versus Osmar Ernesto LaBarca, case number SP 17-02273, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Usted estaba supuesto estar en otra sala, la 336, pero ya como está aquí, vamos a proceder con su caso. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Osmar Quevedo, número de caso SP 170-2273, 1, 2 y 3. Ajá.
Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please.
Y señora
Chair.
Harris, usted diga su nombre, por favor, para que pueda constar en el acta.
Cherica Harris on behalf of the defendant.
Soy Cherica Harris, representando al acusado.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Y para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0.
The allegations are no plates, driver license never acquired, and a no ops.
Y las alegaciones contra él es que estaba manejando sin tener placas correctas, que estaba manejando sin nunca haber obtenido una licencia de conducir y que estaba manejando sin tener una licencia en su persona.
Give Mr. LaBarca updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. LaBarca. Join the breakout rooms. Let us know what you want to do when you come up.
Abogada, consiga del señor Labarca una buena oferta de resolución. Y señor, si usted no está, Labarca, si usted no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación para pasar a la sala privada de consulta. Toque donde dice unirse o join.
Ms. Villaroo, just don't join yet.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if he goes in there. Let's pass the matter. Ms. LeBray, he's in there, but Ms. Lubrius, she can drive. Her license is valid.
Oh, ahora pasamos ese caso por un momentito para que yo me pueda dirigir a la señora Chris Marley Lúberes. Señora Lúberes, su licencia está vigente. Usted puede manejar.
Ok, gracias. Entonces, pagué una multa solo porque tardé tiempo en sacar el seguro para enseñárselo al policía. Y por la diferencia de idioma, él solamente puso el ticket sin esperar que yo le dé la licencia, ni el seguro del carro. Es lo que quiero saber.
Okay, so then I paid for a ticket, and the police officer never gave me time sufficient to show him that I had insurance and that I had a license. So I'm wondering about this.
Yeah, I mean, you paid it, so when you pay those tickets, then you're automatically admitting responsibility. You should have come to court.
Señora, usted ya pagó por esas infracciones, pagó por las boletas de infracciones. Así que cuando una persona paga por una boleta de infracción, es como que la persona haya aceptado responsabilidad por esa acusación, por esa alegación. Usted debería mejor haber esperado y haber venido a la corte.
Es lo que yo estaba esperando, pero me cancelaron la licencia porque entonces tengo el ticket y también tenía la licencia suspendida. Es lo que no
Well, that
entiendo.
momento,
¿Por
señor,
qué?
un momento. And that's what I was thinking also, but I tarried a little bit in paying, and so my license was suspended.
It's valid now.
Está vigente ahora, señora, su licencia.
Ok.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Great day.
Le deseo buena suerte a usted, señora, y que tenga muy buen día.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, join the room, Ms. Harris and Ms. Villarreal. And,
Thank you.
wait on Mr. Berry to come out. Xavier Moser.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Moser Torres, you don't need an interpreter, do you, sir?
No.
Okay. Miss Jasmine Lee,
Yes.
your matter is down in 336.
They told me to come in this one when I had went to room 336
When did you go there?
this morning.
I don't know why they told you that. But
Your Honor, can you give me a couple moments before we go to the next case?
okay.
Thank you.
Just waiting on a lawyer now.
Mines.
No, we're gonna get you to court. Just, yeah, you're just in line.
Okay.
Everyone.
You got court? I'm court right now. You're not even in the Zoom call. Oh.
What about Hazel Sosa's? He fell off. We can talk. She hasn't. So those two.
Your Honor, I got disconnected.
I see. Every time I see it, you don't have to mention it. I'm gonna let you back in.
All right, back. Sorry about that.
No need to apologize.
All right.
When saw the Denzel Washington flight leave. Was it good? It was pretty good. And pretty much anytime you get a Denzel Washington, it's gonna be good. And it's like it's gonna be good.
And them two together is high.
I'm back, Your Honor.
Thought it could have had a more dramatic ending, but Mr. Green, I'm gonna mute your device, so press star. All right, press star 6 to unmute yourself. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Quintasia Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has provided valid insurance and registration.
I'm going to dismiss the cases, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Ms. Gibson? I think she's frozen. All right.
Yes.
Your case is dismissed, ma'am. Have a good day. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Kemper. Mr. Kemper, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, if the court could confirm that Mr. DeKemper has a valid license.
License is valid.
Thank you, Your Honor. In that regard, per the prosecutor, the other matter to be dismissed.
All right, case is dismissed, Mr. Kemper. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Xavier Mozart Torres. Case numbers SP 139781111, SP 1749635, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Mozart Torres.
Xavier Mozart Torres.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
When you're not guilty, then if you have, we'll give him a $0 bond. He has another license improper as well. So get it, Mr. Mozart Torres. Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial and put you in a breakout room with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Labarca. Mr. Labarca, I see your case is dismissed.
Volvemos ahora en el acta con el caso del señor Labarca. Señor Labarca, veo aquí que sus casos quedaron desestimados.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Le deseo a usted buen día, señor, y buena suerte. Vale.
Igualmente, gracias. Bye.
Thank you and thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Pedro Sanchez, case number SP 134-15361, SP 175-13551, and SP 175-14961. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Pedro Sánchez, número de caso SP 175-13551, SP 134-15361 y SP 175-14961. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
He says he doesn't need an interpreter.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Chair.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning. Go ahead, Ms. Harris, put your appearance on the record, please.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, please state your name for the record.
Pedro Sanchez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Sanchez owes he owes a few civil infractions, one of which is a 288 no insurance proof. It was a failure to stop 156 and a no registration 126 from some old matters. Mr. Sanchez, Mrs. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's the matter. Jessica Hinojosa,
Yes, hi, good morning.
you don't need an interpreter, do you?
No,
Jorge Reyna does not need an interpreter because we heard his language in English. Right, Mr. Rea?
Yeah, no, I don't need an interpreter.
Then what about Juan Reyna Reyes? Necesitas interpreter?
El señor Juan
No,
José
no, I don't.
Reyes, ¿necesita intérprete? No.
Let's find out who needs an interpreter.
Gilberto Cardona needs an interpreter.
Miguel Ángel Gutiérrez Morones necesita intérprete.
Juan Carlos Reyes necesita intérprete.
María Lara necesita intérprete.
Gerson Gilberto Vázquez Cabrera necesita intérprete.
Charles Love.
You need an interpreter too?
No. I don't know what happened. My phone just did something. I don't know what happened. I was just responding.
I know. You just want to get out of here, I know.
Well, that's because I'm currently at work, so I was just trying to make sure I didn't miss anything you said.
All right, let me make sure I get you out of here if you're at work. What's your date of birth?
07/26/1995.
Did he have another date out there? Well, double check with your supervisor and see what she said. I ain't got nothing to do with that. I'm sorry, he was trying to say something. Okay. Well. Oh, yeah, maybe then.
I thought I was burning those. Like
I need something. He was sweet though. He just carried him like a baby. I don't have time for that.
how old is it?
He didn't know.
oh, you don't have teeth. You gotta take medication. He a little Maltese Terrier.
That's what I got.
Oh, you got a Maltese
Just
Terrier?
18.
He 18 years old? Jackson, oh, we don't have no teeth. And he got like one little tooth.
That's mine.
He can't see it. He got all
Barely
the-
here.
he got all this little black stuff right here. I was trying to clean it up, like things and stuff. He's sweet though. He's spoiled.
How old is it?
I don't know how fast my friend. He I would take him out when I was shopping in the car. He real spoiled. So if I stop running the car, he a winner. Like want the car to keep going. He's smart though.
I don't understand bringing those dogs in the store.
You know.
That's a help.
Like,
So he can stay home till I get back.
Yeah.
but since he didn't live with me, I felt maybe he would be, that's why I took him.
Not everybody's got their dogs. So. What's that?
We got him hanging out the front window and everything.
Dogs.
That's cool. You can keep them out the front of your window, but don't bring them in the grocery store around all our food.
You should see this guy judge on TikTok. He got 3 little bulldogs. He put clothes on them. He got beds. He a chef. He a rich chef too.
Okay.
So he literally be cooking for them every day.
Like people looking for their dogs, it's healthier than that. We have family pit bulls.
My dog eats dog food. He's 18. So let's go back on the record with Mr. Torres. Mr. Torres, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea of allowing as to the driver license suspended matter and the no insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? You understand that, Mr. Torres?
Can you say it one more time? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 11th, 2025, around 2:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Buchanan and Livernois. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
For a traffic law?
Did you get stopped by the police on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
Over a ticket matter?
You didn't have a valid license, did you?
No.
Okay, very well. I'm going to find him guilty as to the amended count of allowing. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matter.
Your Honor, I just want to be clear, the off docket improper license matter, that's part of that too will be dismissed.
Yeah.
Yes, and we so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, and I need a good phone number from you.
It's 313-957-9566.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. And I'll do 12 hours of community service. I'll give you until September the 17th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, then we'll dismiss the case. Okay, sir?
Thank you so much for this, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jessica Ray Hinojosa, case number SP 1752875, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Hinojosa.
Jessica Ray Hinojosa.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. The day is date time set for arraignment, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give the client a $0 bond. Ms. Hinojosa, we're going to give you Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Just pass the matter. Yeah, I don't think any other food would help my dog live any longer. And he's still going at 18.
Wow, he's 18.
Oh man.
So he's about 70.
Oh no, he's like 100 and something. With 7 years, he's 156.
Woo! Is he grouchy?
No, he doesn't say much. He just he walks and makes it to his food. He makes it back to his bed, and that's about it. And then when he hears my daughter come home, then he'll sometimes start doing what that other dog did. He'll bark a little bit every blue moon.
Oh, the Maltese?
Yeah, that's her. She takes care of
Jackson is a mess.
18 times
Look at till she let
126.
She let Jackson sleep in bed. Jackson was sleeping.
My daughter does too.
She let the dog sleep with her? I can see how it happens, but the Maltese is so sweet and they curl up and then snuggle up. I don't know, you're not tricking me. I let her move on the couch. I got like a little bench in the kitchen, so I'm up there and she is snuggling, while you watch the TV.
The good part about the Maltese is they're have hypoallergenic, so they don't shed.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yesterday I couldn't make it at home to let her out. She's pretty good. She didn't have a little accident because I worked over. But the first day I made it home, time to let them out. So she don't see the dog I want is a West. It's a terrier. It's a West white Highland terrier. Kind of look like Maltese, but they're really smart, independent. But they cute little dogs. They get squirrels and stuff. Squirrels. But they might bring it to you, though. That's the sad part. I got to move out. Yeah. You said, tell me to swear. She's always trying to fight him all the time and kick him. You're smart. Kick your dog. You trying to fight him and kick the dog.
How long you gonna have him?
Huh?
How long are you gonna have him?
Oh no, Jackson left last night. I'm afraid of her. They know somebody. Because for him, he independent, Self-assured, you know that. You don't even want to be bothered. Somebody got them in that movie.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Hinojosa. Ms. Hinojosa, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
My client's going to require a trial and appointment of counsel, so I would suppose he would go to her alphabet judge.
All right, I'm gonna mark the file appointed attorney. Ms. Hinojosa. I need a good phone number for you.
Yes, my phone is out of commission, so I'm gonna give you my father's phone number. His number is 313-753-7772.
All right, I'm gonna send you to your alphabet judge. That's courtroom 340. There's no actual judge in there. They're a visiting judge, I'm sure. This Judge Millhouse unfortunately passed away. That was her courtroom. So I marked the file, needs an appointed attorney, wants a trial. Zoom ID is 360-360-0340. And hopefully that attorney calls you before, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, let them know that you requested an appointed attorney at that other courtroom, okay?
Thank you.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, you have a good day. Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Charles Donzel Love, case number U45854118, SP 108-19821, SP 1696891, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 4186731, SP 7334291. 18-449-2991, 18-453-9441. Karen, for the record, please.
Charles Love, July 26, 1995.
Good morning to you.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Love. Let's say today is the date and time set for show cause and arraignment on these. Some of the matters are in warrant status, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. I'll also call SP 169689111 into the record. That went into default, but I don't have an issue with allowing him to be heard on that. The city doesn't have the issue with him if they don't have any objection. That so Mr. Love owes $336 for one no insurance pro, $258 for no insurance civil, and $288 for another insurance no proof. $336, $258, and $288. If he paid those, he could potentially set himself up to get a valid driver's license. At the very least, he would have a clearances here at the 36th District Court. I'm going to enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to potentially get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Anything
Your
to
Honor,
get my license back. I'm for it.
Your Honor, there are only 2 matters on the docket.
Yeah, I just advise him on them because he's trying to get his license. Just advise him on the 2 no insurance proofs and the no insurance civil. I'm gonna give him a pre-trial date anyway.
Okay.
All right.
2 insurance proofs. Okay. Yes, Your
2
Honor.
no insurance and 1 no insurance civil. That no insurance civil, they don't even charge it like that anymore. That's an 18 case. 288, 258, and 336. All right, join the room. Mr. Berry is going to speak with you. I'm going to set a pre-trial date for September the 8th, 2025 at 8:30. So if you don't have any further questions with the court, Mr. Love, after you speak to Mr. Berry, then you're free to leave. There's nothing. Join the room, please.
Okay.
Just pass them out. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea. The recommendation was to plead to one amended count of allowing, with the remaining matters that are on the docket being dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice and rights and breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 4th, 2025, around 4:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Reed and Jefferson Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
What was the question?
Why couldn't you produce the license?
Oh, because I'm disabled and my niece was supposed to pay these old tickets, but I guess she didn't, and I haven't spoke to her ever since then.
Well, it's because you don't have a valid license, right?
Right.
Okay, very well. Find the client guilty of the amended count of allowing 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion. Do you want to do community service to clear up everything?
Yes, sir.
It'll be 24 hours total. It'll be additional 12 hours.
Yes.
We'll clear everything. All right. 313-980-1026 is the best number to reach you.
Yes.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Yes.
Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon to set the hours up. Keep in mind, I'll give you until September 17th to complete the hours. And if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, sir. All right, City of Detroit versus Jorge Reyna, case number SP 175-44621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Reyna.
My name is George Eloy Reyna Jr.
Okay, George Reyna. Okay, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand me.
Whether or not guilty plea on this client's behalf, your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. There is some notes down here, Mr. Berry, they allege that Mr. Reyna had knotted bags of marijuana on person, mason jar inside vehicle. All right. Mr. Rayner, Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with them. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out. Let's pass the map. This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Jose Reyna Reyes, case number SP 1749141. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Juan Jose Reyna Reyes.
Chair Eka Harris, on behalf of Mr. Reyna Reyes, and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Reyna not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. These are tickets that he can probably go to his other judge and get a money judgment, but if he wants to do some community service, then let us know. Or if he wants a trial, we'll send it to his alphabet judge. Mr. Rand, Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
In the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out.
Judge, before George Reyna, who did you go back on with? What was the
I didn't, that was, Mr. Love, and I guess Mr. Berry, already, he just gave him a new date. He just gave him a new date.
Oh, okay.
Sweet Stone Kitchen.
That cheek.
Huh?
That cheek.
Yes, she does.
You
You're looking
want
at
to see
it.
it? You want one?
I don't know. Sound like you said barbecue chicken.
You want one, Judge? That's all right.
1795.
You just say that.
Right.
Dang.
Let's follow along. All right, let's go back on the record with George Reyna. Mr. Reyna, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
All right, I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Reyna.
313-286-7807.
I'm going to set a pre-trial date in front of the Honorable Judge Sherman on September the 3rd, 2025 at 9 a.m. I need you to answer the call. You don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, let Judge Sherman know on the 2nd that you requested one. Her Zoom ID is 360-334-0000. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit, have a great day. This is the city of Detroit. Ms. Laura, pre-trial date and Friday. This city of Detroit versus Maria Laura, case number V125-42125, V125-42225. Appearance for the record, please. As needs an interpreter, Mr. Berry.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on her bench.
Barry.
Okay, Friday.
En el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora María Lara, número de caso B125-421-25 y B125-422-25. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, Woodbury Jr. representando a la acusada.
Mi nombre es María Lara.
My name is María Lara.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The other matter is supposed to be set for Friday. We're gonna get both of the matters.
Señora, buenos días a usted. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la consulta previa al juicio. El otro caso estaba agendado para el viernes, pero hoy vamos a solucionar ambos.
Ok, muchas gracias. Buenos días.
Okay, thank you very much.
The other,
Good morning to you.
the other is an inspection, a required ticket that went along with this ticket, Mr. Barry.
Yes, sir.
Señor Berry, esto es el otro es una inspección que va de acuerdo con este ticket, señor Berry. ¿Está bien?
Sí,
All right, Mr. Barry's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Señora, únase a la sala de consulta privada cuando reciba la invitación. El abogado Berry le va a tratar de conseguir un buen acuerdo de resolución. Si no le gusta, sepa y entienda que puede ir a juicio. Por favor, únase.
Okay.
Join. Sumarse, unirse. ¿Lo ve? Can you see it? Okay, good. Thank you.
Her name was Maria Lara. Yeah, on 835, the last one. Mr. Golson you never got in touch with Mr. Golson, did you, Mr. Phillips?
No, we did not, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
He said he's just again. You emailed directly to me? Or did you do, okay. Strange, you sure you put a period in between? Because you have to put a period in first.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Reyes. Giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea. The plea would be taken under a delayed sentence, which Ms. Schneider indicates that that delay would be dismissal upon completion of the community service, and he wishes to do that. And I've provided his phone number in the chat.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Are you put your hand down? Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Sorry, what was that?
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Does anybody offer you anything other than what they said to do today? You understood that, sir?
Yes.
Nobody's offered you anything else?
Sorry, what was that?
Has anyone offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July the 11th, 2025 at around 12:53 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Berner and Central. Were you in a motor vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Did you get stopped by the police?
Yes.
And did you have your music up loud enough so someone that's standing outside your vehicle 10 feet or more away can hear that music?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty as charged. Order him to do 12 hours of community service will dismiss upon completion. Is your best number to reach you at 313-213-6736?
Yes.
All right, you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes.
All right, give Mr. Phillips or Ms. Quintero a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until September 17th to complete the hours. If the hours aren't complete, sir, we'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Alfredo Martinez, case number SB 175-8264, SB 175-8296, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Martinez, please state your name for the record.
I think you may need an interpreter.
¿Necesita usted intérprete, señor Martínez?
Mr. Martinez, are you there?
Señor Martínez, ¿está usted presente?
Yes.
Señor Martinez.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you need an interpreter, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Do you need an interpreter?
No, sir.
Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Martinez, please state your name for the record.
Alfredo Martinez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
are not guilty, pleading the client's behalf, will leave your client a $0 bond. Mr. Martinez, Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her, let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Juan Carlos Reyes. Santa Bria.
Yes, sir.
Buenos dias, necesitas interpreter?
Yes, sir.
Un momento.
Okay, thank you.
That's Juan Santa Bria.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Laura. Ms. Laura, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor,
Vamos para que con el caso de la señora Lara. Señora Lara, le da de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea hacer su representada?
Your Honor, my client seeks an attorney to represent her at a trial.
Su señoría, mi representada solicita que le sea asignado un abogado para que la represente en el juicio.
Okay, Ms. Laura, this is 313-801-2318, the best number to reach you?
Sí.
Señora Lara, el número de teléfono 313-801-2318 es el mejor número de teléfono para comunicarnos con usted.
Sí.
Yes, it is.
All right, I'm going to set the matter for a pretrial in front of me on September 3rd, 2025. I'll mark the file, need appointed attorney and needs a Spanish interpreter.
Está bien, yo voy a agendar esto para otra consulta previa de juicio en frente de mí el día 3 de septiembre de 2025 y voy a marcar que usted necesita un intérprete.
¿A qué hora?
At what time, Your Honor?
At 8:30. I need you to answer the call. If you don't recognize one of those calls, should be that appointed attorney.
A las 8:30 de la mañana, señora. Yo necesito que usted atienda las llamadas de números que no reconozca porque uno de esos números puede ser su abogado que le hemos asignado.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's good. Yes.
If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, we'll be one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Señor, si por cualquier razón usted se presenta ese día y no ha podido comunicarse con el abogado, nosotros le vamos a conseguir uno ese mismo día.
Ok, está bien. En este mismo por Zoom me lo voy a conectar o tengo que ir en persona.
That day I have to connect here with the same Zoom.
Yes, ma'am.
Sí, señora. Your Honor, just to be sure, the interpreter is asking, is November the 3rd.
Strike that. September the 3rd, I'm sorry.
September the 3rd. Ok, es el día 3 de septiembre, señora. 3 de septiembre.
Ok, está bien.
A las 25. Del 2025 a las 8:30. Ok, es ok.
El viernes tengo otra corte, ¿ya esta concluyó?
Okay, on Friday I had another court. With this one today, that also takes care of that one too.
Yes.
Sí, señora, ya la del viernes ya se ha tomado en cuenta en el día de hoy.
You don't
Señora,
have to come back Friday, ma'am.
señora, no tiene que volver el viernes.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's good.
All right, have a great day.
Está bien,
Gracias.
señora, que tenga un excelente día. Thank you.
Gracias igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Reyes Sanabria, case number SP 175-2014, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Juan Reyes Sanabria. Número de caso es el 175-2014, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Reyes Sanabria.
Elwood S. Berry representando al acusado. Usted, señor Reyes Sanabria, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Juan Carlos Reyes Sanabria.
Juan Carlos Reyes Sanabria.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Reyes, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0. Señor Sanabria, el abogado le va a conseguir a usted una oferta actualizada de resolución. Si usted no le gusta esa oferta, sépase que tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Acepte la invitación a la sala donde dice join o unirse y déjame saber qué quiere hacer usted cuando regrese. Dice join o unirse.
Okay, join.
Join.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Martinez. Mr. Martinez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting to be sent to his alphabet judge.
All right, that would be Judge Wagner. Mr. Martinez, Zoom ID is going to be 360-331-0000.
Okay.
And that court date is going to be pre-trial on September the 4th, 2025 at 8:35. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Charger Green. Unmute yourself, press *6. This is the city of Detroit versus Charlie Marcelo Green. Case numbers SP 169-55011, SP 1655012. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Charger Green. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Green. All right, he's not responding. *6. Maybe put him out and then come rejoin. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Jasmine Denise Lee. Case number SP 17184-501. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Jasmine Lee.
All right, she's not on the docket here. She's on the 36 docket, they sent up here, the purposes of the arraignment, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond as an open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. Ms. Lee, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
They kicked me out, Judge.
I kicked you out that time because you couldn't unmute yourself. I knew you would call back in. Give me 1 second, I'm going to get you in the breakout room.
All right.
Hey, Crystal. Stranger.
What's going on?
You all right, stranger?
I am, sir. How are you?
I'm well.
These are on your docket for today, show causes.
Yes.
I don't know how they ended up with me.
Lee, Jasmine Lee.
Jasmine Lee, 336.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, thank you. These probably just do. Don't look at me like that. No, they're the original tickets. Why you got to be called sometimes? I'm not calling. You know what, we gonna behave ourselves in front of the judge. Okay, we are. See you in the hallway. In the hallway. In the hallway at 4:30. 4:30 in the hallway.
Officer Wilson, we're gonna
Actually, we can talk to you about somebody, put that lady in the break. You gonna be?
Yes.
Not for real long. You here for a good time, not a long time.
There you go.
I come back a little bit. All right, back.
Your Honor, Miss Jasmine Lee, what is her middle name?
Jasmine Denise.
Denise.
What happened to the rooms? Everybody's got to stop.
You closed the rooms, Judge?
I didn't close them.
I'm going back in.
I'm
All
going
right.
back.
What about me, Jan?
You waiting, Mr. Loman, give me a minute, all right? We're
All
trying
right,
to get
man.
as fast as I can.
All right.
And Mr. Green, I hit *6. I couldn't come in.
You got it, Mr. Green. Just sit tight.
All right.
Your Honor, this is Mrs. Hernandez. I have an invitation to go to room 2, but who is there?
No, nobody yet.
Okay.
That's because all the rooms somehow got closed out.
Okay. May I ask if Mr. Ever Reyes needs interpreter? I missed that.
Yes, I believe he does. Ever Reyes, necesitas interpreter. Buenos dias. Unmute yourself, please.
Señor Ever Reyes, por favor, abra su micrófono y díganos si necesita intérprete. Abra su micrófono.
He never unmuted himself.
No. No, he can't.
That's,
Yes.
Aquí estoy.
Ok, señor Eber Reyes, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
Sí.
Ok, thank you. Gracias, señor. Yeah, he needs interpreter, Your Honor. Thank you. Your Honor, I have to leave at 11:45.
okay.
Thank you.
$10, so you said it's $7. Huh? I hear you. Good.
Are you getting number today?
Depending on what's in it.
I don't be shrimp though. Leave more for me.
No, sir.
No.
Release.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Carlos Reyes. Mr. Reyes, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Ahora volvemos en el acta con el caso del señor Juan Carlos Reyes. El señor le dio la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
My client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for the license never having been acquired, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Quiere presentar una declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Ese cargo reemplaza el cargo original de nunca haber obtenido una licencia, reconociendo que los otros dos cargos también van a quedar desestimados.
You want to take the deal, sir?
¿Quiere usted aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear to affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, lo juro.
Yes, I swear it.
All right, you put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
You
much.
understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Y comprende usted, señor, que la penalidad máxima en su caso son 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas.
Digo que sí. Sí, yes, yes, sir.
Do I say yes? Yes, yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí, comprendo.
Yes, I understand.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakup, did he not?
El señor Berry revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí, es cierto.
Yes, that is true.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Claramente.
Clearly.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de sus derechos?
No.
No.
Mr. Green, I'm gonna mute you again if you can't be quiet.
I'm not doing nothing.
Somebody's talking in the background.
Well, that's not me, sir.
You understood those rights, Mr. Reyes?
Así que usted comprendió sus derechos, señor Reyes.
Yes, sir. Sí, señor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a sus derechos?
Sí acepto, sí acepto.
What
Sí
do I accept?
acepto
Yes, I
lo
accept.
que me dice,
You know, by taking this deal here, you'll give those rights up that Mr. Berry went over with you.
¿Sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, la cual se le explicó a usted el señor Berry, usted renuncia a sus derechos?
acepto la resolución que me da el juez.
I'm accepting the
El
offer
acuerdo.
that the judge has presented.
I know, but we have to go through and make sure that you understand your rights and give the fact that you're gonna give those rights up that Mr. Berry went over with you when you accept this offer.
Sí, entiendo, pero tenemos que revisar y estar seguro para que conste en el acta que usted ha comprendido sus derechos y que usted está renunciando a sus derechos. ¿Ve? Your Honor, he seems to have someone in the room with him that's advising him.
Okay, sir, you're gonna have to get, the person in the room is gonna have to leave the room. We can't have him advising you what to say. We have to know that you understand everything that we're saying. And if you don't, we'll try to get you a better understanding.
Así que, señor, la persona que estaba con usted en su cuarto tiene que salirse del cuarto. Nosotros tenemos que saber que es usted que ha comprendido y usted que nos está hablando sin que alguien lo esté aconsejando.
Ok, perfecto.
Okay, perfect.
All right, so do you understand those rights that Mr. Berry went over with you?
Así que es cierto que usted comprendió los derechos constitucionales que el señor Berry revisó con usted.
Sí los comprendo.
Yes, I understood them.
And do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a sus derechos.
Sí lo sé.
Yes, I know that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta.
No. Primera vez que me ofrecen el trato.
No, this is the first time that I have been offered a deal.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 7th, 2025, at around 7:37 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Federal. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, señor, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 7 de julio del 2025 a las 7:37 de la mañana en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Livernois y Federal. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Y señor, ¿iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
El policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir.
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Y usted eso no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto?
Correcto.
Correct.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué razón?
No la tenía conmigo.
I didn't have one on me.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, order him to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss him for completion. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter now.
Muy bien, así que voy a aceptar la declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de que usted le permite a una persona sin licencia conducir. Voy a ordenar que usted cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario y cuando las haya cumplido, este caso queda desestimado. Y licenciado, si puede usted ahora estipular que puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción, desestimo los otros dos asuntos ahora mismo.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
All right, it's 313-251-6361, the best phone number to reach you at, Mr. Reyes?
I have a different number, Your Honor. Interpreter has
Okay. Let's get the number. What's the best number to reach you at, Mr. Reyes?
Y señor Reyes, ¿cuál es el mejor número que nos puede dar usted para que nos pongamos en contacto con usted?
¿El número de teléfono?
No, my phone number?
Yes.
Sí.
313 942 2152.
313-942-2152.
Okay, you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Y señor, ¿ya tiene usted el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
Yes, sí.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
All right, give Mr. Quintero or Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until September 17th to complete the hours. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, entonces llame esta tarde a ese número de teléfono y pida hablar con el señor Phillips o con la señorita Carmencita Buentello. Para que hagan los arreglos para el trabajo que usted va a hacer. Le voy a dar a usted hasta el 17 de septiembre del 2025 para que cumpla esas horas de servicio. Si no tiene usted alguna otra pregunta, le quiero desear a usted muy buen día y mucha suerte.
Muchísimas gracias. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so very much. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Best of luck.
De nada, le deseo muchísima suerte.
Gracias, igualmente. Muchas gracias, señor.
Thank you, same to you. Thank you so much.
This is the City of Detroit versus Ever Reyes, case number SB 173-6674, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appear to the record, please.
Es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Ever Reyes, número de caso SP 173-6674, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Reyes.
Elwood Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Señor Reyes, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Señor Reyes, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Eduardo Reyes Ortiz.
Eduardo Reyes Ortiz.
For the purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, ¿qué desea hacer su representado, señor abogado?
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
When are not guilty plea on this behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Reyes, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Rey, voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Señor Reyes, vaya a una sala de consulta privada, su abogado conseguirá una buena oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía, pero sepa y entienda que usted tiene el derecho de ir a juicio si no le gusta esa oferta de resolución. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada.
Okay.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes.
2 matters on the docket.
Oh, improper equipment is the one. Improper equipment is an extra.
Thank you.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Charlie Marcello Green, case number SP 169-5501, count 1 count 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Green. Please state your name for the record.
Charter Green.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I think you already spoke with him, right?
I did, Your Honor. At this time, he wouldn't be able to do community service. I did speak with Ms. Schneider about his case, and if he is able to return with some documentation that details the things that you spoke with me about, Mr. Green, that would help us to resolve
Yes,
your case. So he would need a
yes, ma'am.
pretrial date, Your Honor.
All right, come back, Mr. Green, on a pretrial date of September the 8th, 2025 at 8:30, okay?
Okay, sir, thank you.
I wish you the
You
best
have a
of luck.
blessed day.
You as well.
All right, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Camilo Andres Gonzalez Silva, case number SP 174-50031. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm looking for his name on the docket, Your Honor.
5, and then second to the last name.
Oh,
Third.
yeah, I see him, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
González Silva.
Sí, momento, señor. Se llama el caso de Silva, Camilo Silva González. Número de caso SP174-50031. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Camilo Andrés González Silva.
Camilo Andrés González Silva.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez Silva, and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Habla Cherica Harris representando a mi cliente, el acusado González Silva, y para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
All right, set for a pre-trial, so I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gonzalez with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Lo que tenemos fijado para hoy es la consulta previa al juicio. Así que, señor González Silva, lo voy a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que hable con la abogada Harris y ella le deje saber cuál es la oferta actualizada de resolución que tienen para usted. Y sépase que si no le gusta la oferta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte donde dice join o unirse. Join a la sala 3 o unirse.
He's in there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Medina, good morning to you. Does your client need an interpreter?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, and he would require an interpreter, and I was hoping to speak to Ms. Schneider as well. I was just texting her, Your Honor.
Join the breakout room.
Thank you.
Mr. Lohman,
Yes, sir.
I don't see anything open here for you. What is your middle name?
Wendell.
Everything seems to be closed. Why is it reading show cause here, Ms. Mathis? SP 171-95142. There's dismiss. Sorry to keep you, sir. It's nothing, right? Just to read show cause. That's what we gotta know. All right, Mr. Lohman, have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Bless one. Thank you.
Ms. Lightfoot. Ms. Lightfoot.
Hello.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Your matter's not up until the 28th. You still owe $145. You paid $145. We'll dismiss the case, right? Unless you have something else that you got.
No, I had a ticket that shit I had to be
August the 20th at 8:45.
August the 20th.
Yes.
I see the 28th of August. I see that you owe this matter the 28th of August. You're supposed to pay it by the 28th of August. It's for a review at 8:25. That's the only thing I see open for you.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, pay it by the 28th and we'll dismiss the case, the rest of the $145.
Okay.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
All right.
You said on the 18th.
I believe so. I believe so.
You said Marco Williams.
Mario.
You said Martin. It's still working. Check this. Just, that was just.
They clear, sir.
Yeah. No entry. And more entries for the.
Mr. Vasquez Cabrera. All right.
Hello?
Mr. Vasquez Cabrera.
Yes. I
All
need
right, un moment.
interpreter.
Yeah, oh, okay, un momento. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Reyes. Mr. Reyes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos con el caso del señor Reyes y la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Abogado, que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to allowing and the no insurance matter to be dismissed.
Señor, su señoría, mi representado quiere adherirse, tomar la oferta de resolución ofrecida de declararse culpable del cargo enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara y los otros cargos serán desestimados.
Want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere, eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, tomar ese acuerdo que le han ofrecido?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your hand, please?
Por favor, puede levantar su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Puede bajar su mano, señor.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, usted sabe que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta hasta $500 de multa.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, él le explicó el resto de sus derechos, ¿no es así?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You're taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo de resolución, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta aquí en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 18th, 2025, at around 4:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Honora and Pitt Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llamar su atención al día, el lugar y las horas de los hechos, que fue el 18 de junio del 2025 a las 4:34 de la tarde en los alrededores de la calle Harrod y Peach en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora, en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted se encontraba manejando un vehículo? Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial, el agente de policía le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida?
Sí.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
No.
No.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no se la pudo mostrar?
No tenía.
Because I didn't have one.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, order him to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters now.
Está bien, entonces yo voy a encontrar a su cliente culpable del cargo enmendado de que dejó de que alguien sin licencia manejara, y después de las estipulaciones de la causa probable voy a desestimar los otros cargos.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado, su señoría, y le voy a imponer 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Okay.
Right, sir. Is 313-965-5970 the best number to reach you?
Es el número 313-965-5970. Un buen teléfono.
Sí.
Yes, Your Honor, let me clarify. 925 o 965?
925.
925.
Okay, 920. All right, I thought that was because 965 are the numbers down here at the court.
No, it's 313-925-5970.
You got a number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Señor, ¿ya tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Call Mr. Phillips or Ms. Quinteo this afternoon, set the hours up. If you complete the hours, I'll give you until September 17th to complete the hours. If the hours are completed, we'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Señor, llame esta misma tarde a la señora Buentello o al señor Phillips en el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria. Yo le voy a dar hasta el día 17 de septiembre para que hagas esas horas. Ese día se tiene que volver a conectar a las 8:25 con el mismo número.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's good.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, que tenga un excelente día. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Se puede desconectar.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you very much.
City of Detroit versus Miguel. No, let's try that. This is the City of Detroit versus Garzon. Roberto Vasquez Cabrera, case number SP 175565552. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
I'm
State your
look-
full name.
I'm looking for where he is on the docket, Your Honor.
He is on page two.
Page 2.
Under 830 at the bottom.
He is Vasquez. Your Honor.
Vasquez Cabrera.
Eric.
No, Garzon, Roberto.
Oh, Garzon.
In the middle, Vasquez Cabrera, Gerson.
I see him. Thank you. Thank you, Emin. Thank you, Your Honor. Se llama ahora.
Go ahead, Mr. City of Detroit versus Garzon Roberto Vasquez Cabrera, case number SP 175565552. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Garzón Vázquez Cabrera, número de caso SP175-565-52. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Gerson Wilberto Vázquez Cabrera.
Gerson Wilberto Vázquez Cabrera.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute as to the arraignment, Your Honor.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, renunciamos, su señoría, que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. At this time, I'll dismiss the ticket because he paid a related civil infraction. Have a very good day. Mr. Vasquez Rivera, best of luck to you.
Muy bien, así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, señor, y darle una fianza de $0. En este momento voy a desestimar a su caso porque reconozco que usted ya pagó por unas infracciones relacionadas a este caso. Si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, que tenga usted buen día y buena suerte. Caso desestimado.
Ok, gracias, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Miguel Angel Gutierrez Morones, case number SP 173-07671. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso Berry de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Miguel Gutiérrez Morrones, número de caso SP 173-07671. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sí, mi nombre es Miguel Ángel Gutiérrez Morones.
Yes, my name is Miguel Ángel Gutiérrez Morales o Woodbury Jr.
Morones. Gutiérrez
Morones.
Morones.
Gutiérrez Morones.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on his behalf, Your Honor. We would, for
Woodbury
purposes
Jr.
of arraignment,
representando, señoría.
for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute. Your Honor.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Winner or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give you a $0 bond. Mr. Gutierrez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, lo voy a enviar a una sala de consulta privada para que su abogado hable con la fiscalía y le consiga un buen acuerdo de resolución. Voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad de su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Sepa y entienda que si no le gusta la resolución, usted tiene el derecho absoluto de ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada cuando reciba la invitación.
¿Cómo?
Is he there?
No aparece.
Join
now.
Yes.
Listo. No te van a encargar nada, ¿verdad? Entonces, te dejaron libre.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan? I want to do.
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor González. Señor González, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada defensora en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, Mr. Gonzalez was able to present valid documentation.
Su señoría, el señor González me pudo presentar documentos vigentes.
Case dismissed, Mr. Gonzalez. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Su caso queda desestimado, señor González. Que tenga usted muy buen día y muchísima suerte.
Muchas gracias. Feliz día.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
All right, best of luck to you.
Y muchísima suerte, señor.
Gracias, igual.
Thank you. Same to you.
City of Detroit versus Oseli Guadalupe Hernandez Torres, case number SP 173-6221, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 173-62421. Appearance for the record, please.
I apologize, Your Honor. I didn't hear the name.
Oseli Hernandez Torres on this third page, about the bottom of the quarter of the way down.
Oh, Osiel Hernández Torres.
Yeah.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Osiel Hernández Torres. Números de caso SP173-6221 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Cherika Harris.
Osiel Hernández Torres.
Cherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Hernandez Torres.
Y soy Cherika Harris, representando al señor Hernández Torres.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client. Give your client a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpa al cliente y darle una fianza de $0.
Mr. Hernandez Torres, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
El señor Hernández Torres, la señora abogada le va a conseguir usted una oferta actualizada de resolución. Si usted no le gusta esa oferta que le proponen, recuérdese que tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora para pasar a la sala privada donde dice join o unirse.
Okay.
Okay.
Who let LaDainian Gilmer in?
Not me.
You did?
No.
Mr. Gilmer, why are you so late?
You said why am I so late?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I had overslept. I apologize.
Who let him in the room?
Huh?
I'm trying to find out who let you in. How did you get in the room?
I just put in the meet an ID and let me right
You
in. It's set for he missed his court date, so he overslept today and he missed his court date the other day.
Oh, maybe he walked down to the country.
He's still on the day. He's at 8:30.
I think a legal dump or something.
Yes.
Is he capable of doing it?
I was over here. Can't keep oversleeping, sir. And Grant, Calvin Grant, he's sleeping.
Hi, Judge. Ready on Mr. Duarte whenever, Judge.
Okay. Calvin Grant's been asleep all morning. I called his name. He was the fourth person in here, and he never did respond. Look at his camera. I know.
Mr. Kelvin Grant?
Oh, already, he's knocked out.
Schedule for court today? What's your ticket number? What's your name? Schedule for you, Mr. Hurricane on 8/6. You failed to schedule for show. So, where are you in the waiting room? Okay, so you need to zoom in. Can you come tomorrow? I schedule you for tomorrow. Okay, so we'll come Friday. We want to come, okay, yeah, Friday. All right, see you on Friday. 25. Okay. Well, you're gonna, we have the Zoom meeting ID number. Let me do it. Well, let me get it to you. Alexander.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Hernandez Torres. Mr. Hernandez Torres, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Hernández Torres. Señor Hernández Torres, pedí la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada defensora en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pre-trial date.
Su señoría, estamos respetuosamente pidiéndole a usted que nos dé una fecha para tener una consulta previa al juicio.
Pre-trial date, September the 3rd, 2025. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Y la fecha que le voy a dar para que regresen para tener la consulta previa al juicio es el 3 de septiembre del 2025. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseo a usted muy buen día y muchísima suerte.
Okay.
Ok.
All right, have a good day, sir.
Así que tenga usted muy buen día, señor.
Bueno, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
This
Bye.
is the city of Detroit versus Yusuf Hussein Ahmed. Case number SB 174-63121, SB 174-7339. Counts 1 and counts 2 appearing for the record, please.
Ahmed.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Ahmed, please state your name for the record.
Yusuf Ahmed.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Whether or not guilty plea if you have, give a $0 bond. Have a disregard the red signal on. Mr. Ahmed, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Miguel Angel Duarte Garcia. Case number SB 175-6411, counts 1 and counts 2. This bill of rule, we need your services, please.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Miguel Duarte García, número de caso S775-64111 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Duarte. Mr. Duarte, would you please state your full name for the record, sir?
Habla la abogada Crystal Marie Medina, representando al acusado. Señor Duarte, usted por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Miguel Ángel Duarte García.
Miguel Ángel Duarte García.
Today's date and time set for an arraignment.
Este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos.
Your Honor, we would waive formal reading and stand mute. With regard to the arraignment, I was also able to pre-try the matter with Ms. Schneider.
Su señoría, para el propósito de lectura de cargos, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio. También con respecto a la lectura de cargos, tuve la oportunidad de hablar con la señora Schneider para la consulta por juicio.
And Your Honor, my understanding is that these matters would be dismissed for compliance.
Y tengo entendido, su señoría, que estos casos van a quedar desestimados porque él ha cumplido.
Okay, case dismissed. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you all.
Muy bien, casos desestimados. Si no tienen algo que agregar, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte a todos.
Gracias.
Thank you very much, Your Honor, and take care, Ms. Villarruel. Nos vemos mañana. Bye.
Yes, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, Councilor.
Under 8:25, 8:30. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would.
Interpret.
I'm sorry.
Le di, volvamos para que conste en el acta el caso, con el caso del señor Gutiérrez. Señor Gutiérrez, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala privada de consulta con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer el señor Gutiérrez?
Your Honor, my client says he has a matter on the 25th.
Su señoría, mi cliente dice que tiene otro caso el 25.
Discúlpeme, señora, no sé si usted me ve a mí, pero yo sí los veo a ustedes.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am. I don't know if you can see me because I can't see you.
Well, I'll tell you what, if he has a case number, I may be able to help him, but I don't see anything else here.
Señor, yo no veo aquí ningún otro caso para el 25. ¿Es el mismo caso o es otro número de caso?
Es el mismo caso.
It's the same case.
Oh, well.
No, it's just for today. I don't see anything for the 25th.
No, señor, solamente es para el día de hoy. No veo aquí nada para el 25.
Está muy bien.
Thank you very much. It's good.
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, my client would enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 90-day delayed sentence to be dismissed when he has completed his community service. And he stands ready to enter that plea.
Según la oferta de la fiscalía, mi cliente le ofrecen una sentencia aplazada de 90 días y la cual el caso será desestimado una vez que complete las horas de servicio comunitario.
Sí.
Yes.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿desea tomar el acuerdo que le ofrecen?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Está bien, señor, puede bajar su mano. ¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a un juicio, si lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada, el señor Berry le hizo saber cuáles eran sus derechos. ¿No es así?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ofreció a usted alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
And you know you're going to give up those rights, correct?
Y usted entiende que tomando esta oferta usted está renunciando a esos derechos, ¿correcto?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to June 22nd, 2025, around 12:47 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lane and Mullen. That case, did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Your Honor, can you repeat for me, please, the time? Thanks.
At 12:47 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lane and New Lane.
New Lane. Ok, thank you, Your Honor. I'm sorry. Señor, vamos a llevar entonces, a llevarlo al día y la hora y el lugar de los hechos, que fue el 22 de junio de 2025, alrededor de las 12:47 de la madrugada, en las calles de Main y New Line, en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora, en ese lugar, ¿tuvo usted un encuentro con un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
Where was that? Where you playing some music, sir?
¿Y por qué, señor? ¿Usted tenía alguna música?
Estaba la música probablemente un poco alta.
Yes, the music was probably a little loud.
A little loud, very loud.
No un poco, muy alta.
Tal vez sí.
Yeah, maybe yes.
All right. You said that was disturbing the good, quiet nature of that community over there, correct? Would you agree?
¿Y usted estaría de acuerdo en que, señor, es el alto volumen de esa música estaba de alguna forma incomodando a los vecinos?
Tal vez sí, pues, ¿qué se puede decir? Estaba en mi casa y tenía todos mis vecinos invitados en mi casa, pues no sé a cuál le molestarían.
Yes, yes. You know, I was at home and all my neighbors were invited and they were there, so I don't know who was, you know.
What she say?
I don't know if everybody was there, right?
Bueno, yo no creo que todos hayan estado invitados.
Sí.
You satisfied? Well, the police weren't there, were they?
Bueno, pero la policía llegó allá, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
And they heard the music, didn't they?
Ya, y ellos debieron haber oído la música.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find them guilty as charged, 12 hours of community service. Because they want a 3-month delayed. I don't know why it's 3-month delayed on this, but.
They are amenable to be dismissed once he completes his community service.
Está bien, entonces le voy a dar 2 horas de servicio comunitario para el cargo de como original, Pero yo no sé por qué le pusieron una sentencia aplazada de 90 días. Sí, su señoría, pero es que va a ser desestimado el caso tan pronto él haga las horas de servicio comunitario.
We'll dismiss upon completion. Is 313-808 6629 the best number to reach you?
Está bien, entonces nosotros vamos a desestimar su caso tan pronto usted termine las horas de servicio comunitario. Señor, un buen número de teléfono para comunicarnos con usted es el 313-808-6629.
Sí, señora.
Yes, sir.
All right, and you you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Señor, ¿y usted tiene el número para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Give Mr. Phillips a call or Ms. Buenteo a call this afternoon to set the hours up. I'll give you until September 17th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case. If you don't have anything further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Comuníquese esta misma tarde con la señorita Buentello o el señor Phillips para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser esas horas de servicio comunitario. Yo le voy a dar hasta el 17 de septiembre para que las haga. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya se puede retirar. Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Good day.
Que tenga buen día. Your Honor, I have to, may I go?
Yeah, I know you do. Okay, Ms. Phillips. Have a very good
Señor,
day.
se puede retirar. Bye bye. Thank you, Your Honor. Bye bye. Thanks.
Ms. Villarreal, Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Gilberto Antonio Cardona. Case number SB 175-4854, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 175-48691. Appearance on the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Antonio Cardona Gilberto. Número de caso es F1754854, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Cardona.
Y soy el abogado Elwood S. Berry, representando al acusado. Usted, señor Cardona, díganos su nombre completo.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Cardona.
Prenda el micrófono, señor.
Mi nombre es Gilberto Antonio Cardona.
My name is Gilberto Antonio Cardona.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, denunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Cardona, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, señor Cardona, y dar una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta. El abogado Berry le va a dar a usted una oferta de resolución actualizada y si no le gusta esa oferta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio.
Okay.
Acepte la invitación donde dice join o unirse.
Unirse.
Unir. Perfecto.
All right, pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ahmed. Mr. Ahmed, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing an unlicensed person to drive with the remaining matters dismissed. There was an off-docket matter and that would be included in the dismissal.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Ahmed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Harris went over your other advice and rights in breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
know about taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Ms. Harris, your client looks like after he gets out of here, he's about to drive off in the sunset again. All right, sir, let me
No,
draw your attention.
I'm just sitting in the car because the house is noisy.
I know they all say that, they all say that, Mr. Ahmed. That's always the answer.
No,
I'm just
I'm
happy to
actually
be
serious. My house is right here.
I happen to be sitting in the driver's seat of the car. I'm not gonna go anywhere.
Okay, I'll go in the house right now.
No, I don't go in the house. I just don't, you don't have to do to scare your attention back to June the 23rd, 2025, around 6:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McGraw and Trenton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
Because my license was invalid.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing order to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Is your best number to reach you at 313-752-7702?
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna have you call Mr. Phillips in about 10 minutes to set those hours up. I'm gonna give you until September 17th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. So call the number right now and set up the hours.
About 10 minutes.
Am I gonna receive a call or should I call?
You call.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
You too. Bye.
The city of Detroit versus Ladanian Gilmore, case number SP 149-2882, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 142-48471, SP 171-85202, SP 171-8521, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of defendant Gilmer, please state your name for the record.
LaDainian Gilmer.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty, plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He has a driver license expired, no insurance, misdemeanor. I don't see how the expired plates is under a under a misdemeanor. It says expired plates, so we'll look it up. Then he has unregistered, untitled, a driver license suspended, and a no insurance misdemeanor. For that dumping is going to be a $500 fine. Or you can do the equivalent of that in the community service. But if you take a plea to the dumping, it will be a $500 fine. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll recall the warrants. He's got a lot of other cases. A lot of other cases. Let's also call SP 148-20471 into the record. SP 152-3359, counts 1, 2, and 3 into the record. SP 156-0540, counts 1, 2, and 3. What is your name, sir?
LaDainian?
Yeah. What's your full name?
Huh?
Oh, they may not be you. You have,
No,
you
I
have
have
a
a twin brother. Our names are very, very similar. You may have
You have
my brother.
Your brother named Ladarian?
Yup, LaDarian. We twins, so our names like very, very similar.
And date of birth is the same and everything.
Yup, same day. Yup.
Where is he?
Where is he?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I haven't talked to him. I don't know. I haven't talked to him today. I have no clue.
I scratched those last case numbers from the record. So, Ms. Harris, speak to him in the breakout room. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Might be getting ahead of myself. All right, let's go back on, oh, not yet. Go back on the record for Mr. Cardona. Mr. Cardona, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos ahora en el acta con el caso del señor Cardona. Señor Cardona, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, if the court could confirm a valid license.
Su señoría, ¿puede la corte confirmar que la licencia de él está vigente?
License is valid, Mr. Berry.
La licencia de él está vigente, señor Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client has shown valid registration as well as insurance, and we seek dismissal of these matters.
Gracias, su señoría. Mi cliente me ha mostrado a mí que tiene seguro de vehículo vigente y su registración también en orden vigente, y le pedimos a la corte que por favor desestimen a los casos.
Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Su caso queda desestimado, señor. Les deseamos a usted mucha suerte y que tenga buen día.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ok.
You're free to
¿Me
leave.
puedo retirar?
May I leave?
You may.
Usted se puede ir. Se puede.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, then thank you very much.
I think that'll do it, Ms. Villarreal.
I think so too, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much. Have a very good day, and I will see you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor. I look forward to that. Take care.
Thank you.
Throughout the city of Detroit, and for more can be found online, mix923fm.com. Detroit, get ready.
That's something funny. She always like, no, oh,
She always laughs.
I'm in the morning, what up? Boy, my mom used to say, look like she act like she in the bank all the time.
I won't be in here. I'll be in the bank lamp.
Smile.
I'll be in the bank like, good morning.
Smile.
Everybody's been working stacks. He's a lady coming there every morning. He had to have a lot of money.
She in good spirits, Judge. She in good spirits.
I don't know why I laugh all the time.
She like her job.
Not that I'm always happy, but.
Oh.
It's that my baby used to smile all the time.
Wow.
They said my dad, he was the superintendent, well, he ran the plant. They say he was laughing at you telling you what to do. He used to work at this plant called Clipper. Years ago.
Which location did they have you at it for?
With a
My dad did used to work at Detroit Diesel.
Right next to Brownstown. Right there.
He used to work at Detroit Diesel.
I used to work in Brownstown.
man, every day. Westbrook.
I know all about West Road.
How long ago was that?
Before I came here, when I was at the hospital, I worked at both of them, before Wyandotte and Brownstown.
The one down the street, the new one.
Yeah, it's about 15 years old.
And they had before they built that hospital, it was a driving range there.
Oh, yeah?
It was
I
a
didn't know
driving
that.
range, and it was the funeral homes went next door. So it was a driving range.
You got that Taco Bell right there.
Then they put the Taco Bell is newer than that. Wow. Taco Bell is newer than that. That came.
Yeah, Telegraph run right there. I used to come back the opposite way from Telegraph.
That came. Taco Bell.
It looked kind of new though.
Yeah, but that you weren't out there then.
Nope.
You just seen the Taco Bell since you've been back out there just going around.
Yeah. I didn't go out there until 2021.
Because that Taco Bell can't be more than like 6 years old.
Oh wow, that's real young.
So then the shopping center's always. Used to be a driver.
How you doing?
Let's go back on the, see a driver.
Basically, I went down there to that edible arrangement. It's down the other way, past the McDonald's.
Yeah.
Keep on.
Yeah, I know.
As soon as you get past the freeway, where all those restaurants and stuff is inside of there.
That's the new stuff.
Yeah.
See, that stuff is, when I got there, Kmart was still open. That's where the Black Rock is and stuff. And all that stuff wasn't there. Meyer was there. And all that stuff right there. In the last 5 years. Wow. All that stuff. Wow. I saw them build Target. We saw them build Walmart. We saw them build Home Depot. We saw them build Lowe's in front of my house. All of it, none of this stuff. Wow.
My buddy stay in those apartments right there in New Haven, right next to the hospital.
The Dunkin' Donuts, there used to be a gas station. That was there now. It's on Alamo. And that Taco Bell has always been down there too.
His wife is a makeup artist and actress. I said, really? He said, yeah.
Yeah, I've heard of that. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmore. I didn't mean that. Mr. Gilmore, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation. He would plead to the illegal dumping as charged, and he would also plead or admit responsibility on the expired plates matter, with all remaining matters being dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal? I don't have a file here for him. So he's gonna have to make up our way to make up the factual basis. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
He just wants to get it over with, doesn't he, Ms. Harris?
I cannot answer that, Your Honor.
Turn your camera on, Mr. Gilmore.
Oh, my bad. Here you go.
Can you raise your right hand, please? I can't see you. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights and breakdown on this, she not?
Yes, sir. She did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to, you said he's the improper plate and the illegal dumping?
Mm-hmm.
It
Yes,
was
sir.
expired plate, Your Honor. I think that was the one you indicated.
For some reason, no, this expired plate. I don't know why. Oh, that's a commercial vehicle. That's why it's a mistake. Let me carry your attention back to May the 1st, 2023 at around 6:49 p.m. It's all the way back to 2 years ago. Did you have any,
Hello?
in the city of Detroit, in the area of Rutland and Capital?
You said what, sir?
Let's carry your attention back to May 1st, 2023 at around 6:49 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Rutland and Capital. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
You said the area of where?
Rutland and Capital.
In Capital, yes.
Did you have an occasion to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, sir.
And what did you do over there?
I dumped a couple things, rushing, moving too fast. When I could have took it to the trash can, I was just moving too fast.
What did you drop? I'm not going to accept that as your excuse. Let's not go there.
Okay.
What did you drop down there?
A bed. That's it.
Yeah, that you're not dropping a bed. You're not dropping a bed and stuff because you're moving too fast. You're dropping a bed because you didn't want it anymore, right?
Yeah.
You didn't want to take the time to take it and dispose of it properly, right? Or pay the cost to do it.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It has nothing to do with moving too fast.
Mm-hmm.
Does it, Mr. Gilmer?
No, sir.
All right. You live in the city of Detroit, right?
Yes, sir.
And do you live over in that area?
Not far from it, yeah.
And you didn't want to put it out in front of your house. You could have put it out in front of your house the bulk trash could have come and got it, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
But you decided to take it and litter it in front of somebody else's neighborhood or in some field somewhere in the neighborhood, right?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't make sense, does it?
Nope. No, sir. It doesn't.
All right. All right. I'm gonna find him guilty as charged to the illegal dumping. It's gonna be 40 hours community service on a 12-month delay. And draw your attention. Either it's going to be an improper plate, it's going to be an improper plate for the driving infraction.
Mm-hmm.
Allowing.
I think Mr. Gilmer is okay with it.
All right. All right. Let's go back. let's go back to, let me draw your attention back to May the 26th, 2025, around 1:55 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and St. Mary's. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
7 Mile and St. Mary's?
Yes.
Yeah.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, a 2010 Honda?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I thought that was 6 Mile, but yeah.
All right, did you, did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
My license is expired. I'm in the process of getting them.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty of the any count of allowing, stipulate the proper cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna get order to do 12 hours of community service for that. Total of 52 hours of community service. I need a good phone number. Is this 734-626-8455, the best number to reach you?
Yes.
All right, and do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, sir. Yes, I do.
Call Mr. Phillips. Let's set the matter for, I'm gonna start it out, and I'm gonna give you an extra month. Come back on October the 15th. October the 15th. I recognize it's 52 hours, and I don't know if you're working or not, but I'm gonna give you a little extra time to do it, but I'm still gonna give you that 12-month delay. Put a 12-month date on that. I'll give you the 12-month date when you come back. If you don't do anything like that again, and you don't get any more trouble with that dumping and stuff, I hope you learned your lesson with that.
Yeah, no, I got you.
You can take it to the dump for free.
Yeah, you're right. You're totally right.
All right, so we'll dismiss the case if you don't get any more trouble and you complete the hours. Come back on October the 15th and at 8:25. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, I appreciate it.
Have a great day. Be safe. All right, that'll conclude the